We're the new neighbors.
No neighbors.
What's the matter, Flurg? You look tired.
I don't know. I just couldn't fall asleep last night.
Sometimes I can't sleep because my toes get chilly.
Sometimes I can't sleep with those burbles singing all night long.
Sometimes I can't sleep if I miss my bedtime routine.
Bedtime routine? What's that?
A bedtime routine is a series of things that you do every night before you go to bed. I do my routine in the same order every night, or else I can't sleep.
Wow. What kind of things do you do?
Well, my routine goes something like this. I take a bath. I brush my teeth. First on top, then underneath. Put on my jammies. Tuck in tight. Story time. Say goodnight. And then I have such lovely dreams. I love my routine.
Ooh, I want a bedtime routine too. Boppy, can I have a bedtime routine too? It's something that kids do to help them sleep at night.
Sure, honey. All right.
Yay!
Woo-hoo! Gonna take a bath. Gonna brush my teeth. First on top, then underneath. Put on my jimmies. Tuck in tight. Story time. Say goodnight. Then I'll have such lovely dreams. I love my routine. Yeah, I can't wait to go to bed. Is it time to go to bed yet?
We just had breakfast.
Oh.
Excuse me, can you sing a little quieter, please? We're tired from singing all night and we need to get some sleep.
You can't sleep? Well, do you have a
Bedtime
bedtime
routine?
routine?
La 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 la